I couldn't get to 35 pounds. I only had 30 pounds, and it was 125. She said, "Do you want to go grab 5 more pounds because you have 5 more pounds?" $29 clear.
Where was this? Do we need to go?
Well, that's I'm only buying that way from now on. I'm not going to any more markets. No more
We need
markets.
to go together.
We have to go to the source. The only thing with you and I going together, I'm happy to do that. But if I need to be there 4 hours, that's what I'm going to do.
Well, I'm going to be there for 4 hours looking
No,
for
none of
silks.
this. We're out 45 minutes.
We need the silks, girl.
We are in it.
I need all the scarves, all the silks. I need all the silks, all the polyesters, all the belts, all the accessories. Is it like also like belts? Hats? Anything you can possibly fit. Anything
First
for.
of all, when we pull in, your heart's gonna pop out of your chest like mine did. Because it's like, it wraps around and they're all in the tents making the piles of tens of thousands of pieces. What?
It's the Goodwill.
Yeah. It's
My
tens
friend
of thousands of pieces
I
of
think it's my
clothing.
friend.
Who knows?
He knows that Goodwill.
All I know is, it's like I walked over to one of the tents outside. I said, "I can't come in here, can I?" And they said, "No, unfortunately, this is where we sort and stack." And what I saw them doing was they're sorting, stacking, loading in these U-Hauls. Sorting, stack. I'm like, oh my God.
What time did the lady say they open?
7 o'clock. I can leave here between 5:30 and 6.
5:30 and 6?
Yeah. To get there.
And get the
Because
parking.
if there's a line, and I have a
Well,
feeling
you're
there
gonna
will
be there
be,
for- They're gonna throw everything that they don't want. Is the things that you're gonna love. That's how it works with the vintage guys.
but all I know is I have always bought from the source. I don't deal with middle people because the middle people obviously need to make a profit too, and I respect what they do. It's
I know
amazing.
which one it
But
is.
why buy from Jaime when we are
It
Jaime?
used to, well,
We are
Jaime.
Jaime.
Jaime goes there. You'll
Right.
see him tomorrow.
We are Jaime. I
Yeah.
won't recognize him, but we are Jaime.
But he only buys the jeans and the t-shirts. He doesn't buy the women's stuff there. Or maybe he does.
Well, that's what I want. But we'll see. Tomorrow's going to be very interesting.
If you go tomorrow and you fill up your car, will you still go like Tuesday or Wednesday?